GL-iNet router. You can access this device from anywhere using a browser or app on your phone. Application. Good Cloud. Enable. Data server. Asia. Enable remote web access. Enable remote SSH. I read and agree. Apply. Each device has a different identifier. You use remote access and monitoring of the device using the device identifier. Good Cloud. Register an account. I register using a Google account. Log in with Google. Email. Continue. I got it. You set a password in case you cannot access it using your Google account. Next, I add the device to the system. Bound devices. Add. Device ID. Enter my device identifier. Device ID. Device. GL-iNet router. Add device. Complete adding a new device. Now you can monitor the device remotely and see which client devices are connected to it. Or you can access the device management page remotely. Remote GUI. Application. Good Cloud. Complete remote access using a browser. Furthermore, you can monitor device status without accessing the management page. Wi-Fi status. Modify. Wi-Fi key. The above are the steps to access and monitor your GL-iNet router remotely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to monitor the device using your phone, install the GL-iNet app. Good luck.